Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Dulotec company. This time it's a front flipper and button locking one, model K262-GN. The knife comes in a black nylon sheet with zip, white for the knife, and the knife itself. Total length is 18.5 cm, blade length is 8 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. The steel of the blade is Sandvik 14C28N. It's a Swedish stainless steel, very good quality with very little impurities. Tempered between 59 to 61 HRC. Matte finish of the blade. It's not satin nor stone wash. It looks interesting. Generally I like that blade shape. On one side is the name of the manufacturer, Dulotec, and K262. On the other, 14C21N. Opening with the front flipper, double-sided thumb stud, or the button. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of green micarta, but the black version with the black coated blade is also available. I really like this blue ring around the pivot. Liner lock, but operated by a button. So I can say it's a combination of two locks, liner lock and button lock. It works very well, smoothly, and in my opinion it's safer. A really interesting solution. Matte finish stainless steel pocket clip. In summary, a very nice smaller folder from Dulotec company. Interesting colors, good steel, liner lock operated by the bottom, and various opening methods make this knife is not boring. Generally I like knives with grand handles. I'm freak about button lock lately and clicking wherever I can. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.